Everybody, quick video today on my DeLonghi ECP that was broken. I replaced it with a Lapavoni Europiccola, and because I did that, I'm going to give away all the spare parts that I had left for my DeLonghi in 3 sets. All you need to do after this video is just write a message down the video below with which set you would like to receive and any means of contacting you by email, for instance, or WhatsApp or Instagram, whatever you prefer. Or you can drop me a message, a private message on Instagram at MJBartending. So the first set I'm going to give away is this tamping set. I'm going to give away this plastic tamper that actually belongs to the Europiccola. It's 51mm in diameter and fits the DeLonghi baskets perfectly. Also, for any, let's say, more specific tamping, I have a Joe Frex tamper with 50mm tamping pad installed, plus a larger one in 52mm. I'm going to give this away as set A. Set B is going to be some tuning parts for my DeLonghi that I gathered during the tuning process. 2 pressurized filter baskets, original DeLonghi ones that you can use, single and double. This is a, let me swap these. This is a double shot filter basket, non-pressurized, with the dosage line right there, the one you find on eBay. I'm going to give that away, along with this insert for your standard DeLonghi portafilter. My modified milk frother. You can just install this as it is, and then you can froth milk as with a regular steam wand. And my butt cap with the Punisher logo engraved for the standard DeLonghi portafilter. This is set B. Set C is going to be this bottomless or naked portafilter from AliExpress with the accompanying double shot filter basket that it came with, and also again a set of DeLonghi original pressurized filter basket, double shot, single shot. This is set C. So let me know which set you would like to receive and I'll send it to you free of charge, just because it's me. And hope to make my next video on the Lapavoni Europiccola. Stay tuned.